looks like a lot. I don't know how many.
We should go on a fishing boat sometime.
Yeah, you want to go on a real fishing boat?
Yeah.
Maybe one day when you get bigger.
But what number is that?
I don't know. What does it say?
7022. What? What's that?
That is their license number, I think. Every commercial fishing boat has to have a special number.
We don't.
Nah, we've got a license. So, all right, let's go do some fishing, shall we?
Let's keep watching.
Yeah, you want to keep watching?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Now what is that little black thing, the crane?
Yeah, he's got 2 cranes.
So that big. Oh, yeah. Are they on both sides?
Yeah.
One side and the other side?
Yep.
Sorry, boat. That is a weird looking boat.
Yeah.
It looks like a hamster. It looks like a hamster.
Does it?
Yeah.
All right, buddy, we got to get going. You ready? Look how calm this water is. Yep, they're gonna go out and do some real crab fishing. Oh, there he goes. He's gonna move one in now. You wanna watch? Yeah, he's gonna stack it. They're stacking everything up on the deck.
How do they get it on?
What? They hook it up.
How do they control the crane?
Oh, that guy up there is controlling the crane. Right back here. Yeah, he's got a controller up there.
Well, how do they get up in those windows?
Oh, there's a door. That's the bridge up there where the captain sits, drives the boat.
Why do they stand on the top?
Well, they got to climb in there so they can tie them all down.
How do they get up there?
Okay, watch, and you'll get to see. Here he comes.
Oh,
Wow, they bring a whole bunch at one time, huh?
yeah. I think that's how big it is.
Yeah.
Then are they going to drop it and stuff over on the plane?
Now they're going to bring it over here and stack it up.
Why?
Why? Because they got to get them all on their boat. that. They just stack them right there. See how they're unhooking them?
Yeah,
Yep. There they go. You gotta go get another stack. Wow, that's pretty cool, huh?
Why did they got the motors down?
What?
Why did they got the motors down?
Well, they need motors for their cranes, too.
I don't know.
The big motor's underneath. It's actually in the middle of the boat. And the shaft and the propeller are right in the back there. All right, let's go, buddy. We're gonna go get our crab pots.
Okay. Not their crab pot.
No, they're too big for us. Pretty cool. It's big because they got to carry a lot of gear.